Hello and welcome to another update video about MATIC. On the MATIC chart, we are still fighting with this support area here. So you know that we were waiting for one more low here most recently when we were around here, the 8th of August. Yeah, another low was forecasted. That went down quite nicely. Yeah, and now it's all about, does this setup hold or not? This is one that obviously I warned about anyway. Yeah, so it's a bit of a wait and see one. This yellow one. Yellow represents the bullish wave count. Definitely needs to prove itself. It cannot be trusted, as explained before. Highly likely also to make another low. It's just sitting at the inflection point, at the decision point here, the 55-cent level. Not impressed by the reaction to the 78.6 FIB level. I mean, it did respect it, but it didn't really react to it. So at the moment, it seems like in the white wave count, which is the short-term bearish one, generally still bullish, but short-term bearish, seems like it needs one more low. The reason is that in this one, I can count a nice 3-wave move to the upside on the 14th of July. And then I can count, so WXY, okay? And then the move down is basically an ABC because we're dealing with a diagonal structure there. And the 5th wave here is basically this ABC structure. And if we're looking at the C wave, then if I go to the 4-hour chart, it seems like, this was a small one, a 2, a 3, a 4 is now unfolding, and it might need one more low. And the next support is around 48.5 cents. Below that, I've got 41. So, and also what we could do, so I'm talking, about the case that we drop below 55.3 cents, right? So if that happens, then we're looking at the Fibonacci extensions and the 1-to-1 ratio, which is a key target. It, by the way, already reached the 61.8 extension. That is sort of the minimum that we would expect for a C wave. But the 1-to-1 ratio, the 100% extension at 46 cents would be another likely target. So my take is if we break below 55.3, which I consider highly likely, then the 48.5 cent level will be next support. Below that, I've got 46. And at the latest, ideally, it's turning around there. If not, there's one more support left at 41, and then we're dealing with new bear market lows below that level, because then we are likely to take out the June 22 lows. Overall, MATIC is holding quite well, I would say. I mean, it's not too bad, but it feels to me it could drop a little bit lower. However, if this orange setup holds, or the orange support area holds, it could move higher, obviously, in a third wave. I mean, targeting possibly 88 cents, 88.8 in the beginning, yeah. And I would need to see a sustained break above 63 cents, which is the 50% retracement, as a first indication that a low is in, which would then be confirmed by a break above the B wave high, which is also the wave 1 high here. And that would be at 71 cents. So if that level, or if that setup is going to work out, it really needs to turn around here. It's basically that key decision point, key inflection point. Reward to risk is very good here, very rewarding, really good ratio. However, at the moment, a low probability or lower probability of this setup holding, just because I'm not impressed with the reaction to that FIB level. So wouldn't be surprised for it to go any lower, and it would take a break above 63 cents to confirm that we are following the yellow count. Okay, that's my update about MATIC. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.